If you own investment properties and you're looking to sell your property, but you are not interested in paying capital gains on those gains you've had in the last 5, 10, 15 years, I highly recommend you look into a 1031 exchange. And here I want to cover some of the features that you need to meet to be able to qualify for a 1031 exchange to see if this is good for you or maybe it's not good for you. The first thing is you have to have a like-kinded property. In other words, you're looking to sell an investment property to buy another investment property, you can do a 1031 exchange. You cannot do a 1031 exchange if you're looking to sell your primary home or your stocks. You cannot do it for your primary home. But you can do it for an investment property like a duplex or a fourplex. So that's number one. Number two, you have to find a qualified property. In other words, it has to be within the same realm of what you are currently already doing. If you're going to sell a duplex, you can buy a fourplex or another duplex or a 6-unit multifamily as well. The third thing would be that it is of the same or higher value. In other words, let's say you're selling a property of $500,000, you need to find a property that's actually $500,000 or more for the next property you're looking to buy. So you cannot buy a $300,000 property after you sold a $500,000 property, because then you're going to be paying capital gains out of that difference. So it wouldn't really make any sense to even do the 1031 exchange. The third thing you also have to be careful of is that you find and identify 45 days after your property is already under contract for sale. You have 45 days to identify the next property you want to buy. And after that, you have 180 days to close on the purchase of that following property. Another cool strategy that you can use, let's say you're selling a $500,000 property and you're going to net $500,000 out of that sale, you can buy 2 properties with leverage as long as they are in higher value. So let's say you get the $500,000, you put $250,000 in property A and another $250,000 in property B, but those properties that you are buying are worth $500,000 each. So in essence, on paper, you're buying $1 million worth of real estate, so you are buying of greater value. So 1031 exchange can help you in that sense. There are other little technical factors that could play in depending case by case scenario. But if you are considering selling your property to move up to the next one, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be happy to help. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.